So let's talk about how to participate on Union Testnet. Okay, first of all, you need to go to the link in the description and then register with your X account, that's your Twitter. Then the next thing is you connect Discord and you connect GitHub. You don't need to be performing so much activity on the GitHub, just register GitHub account and connect, and your dashboard should be looking like this. The next thing you'll be needing is an EVM wallet, that's your MetaMask wallet or your 𝗪𝗡𝗡 wallet, any one of them. And then the next thing you're also going to be needing is your Kepler wallet. You have to re-upload your seed phrase from your MetaMask into Kepler wallet. So here's what you need to do. You need to earn XP by completing transactions, and every amount of XP you earn gives you different level. You can see the level that I've actually attained on this particular account right here. And then if you click on this overall achievement right here, you will see the XP I've gotten, and you will see the tax that's required of you. There are social tax, there are on-chain tax, there are community tax, and you need to perform them all. And each tax actually has different XP attached to them, but majorly what you need to be doing is to conduct transaction. Now the next thing you're going to do is to get XP, is to get faucet. Faucet is like a test token that you're going to be using to be testing transaction. So here now you can see this is on this section right here. This is where I got my Babylon faucet, and this is how you get it. You use WhoScan to get Babylon faucet. You can use just, in fact, if you go to faucet section, you see different faucet for different chains. Okay, for the one that favors me the most, the one that I'm able to get the most is this Zion testnet. So once you click on it, on the token, on the chain, you will be able to copy the address just the way I'm copying the address. Same thing applies on mobile. If you're using mobile and maybe you're using Mrs. browser, then this should work really better for you. Then when you copy the address, then you can now go through to the faucet to get the test token. Okay, now to transact, here's how you need to transact. Now you need to click on the chain you want to transact from. Like for me, Zion, and then I'm transacting on Zion token, which I've already gotten the faucet for. Then you click on the chain you want to transact into. Now the number of transactions into any particular chain counts. For instance, 𝗏𝗏𝗕𝗏, it counts. Like you need 50 𝗏𝗏𝗕𝗏 to get a particular XP. You need about 250,000 250 𝗏𝗏𝗕𝗏 to get another about, I think, about 15 XP. You need 500 𝗏𝗏𝗕𝗏, 500 transactions into 𝗏𝗏𝗕𝗏 to get maybe, I think, 10 or 15 XP too. So the same thing applies to 𝐾𝐲 chain. The same thing applies to Babylon chain and every other chain you see right there. So the number of transactions into different chains count. So you can see that they give like a very small XP, a very small test token right there. So you don't have to use so much to transact. In my own case, I use like about 0.001 either in USDT or in Zion. So one time faucet can last me for days or for some number of time. So now you can see right here, look at the transactions I've actually completed right there. You can see it right there. Now you even see the one that I'm yet to complete. So you can see it took me some time. It has taken me like about a week or so now to get off from this level 3. I wonder how those persons getting about 1,000 plus got theirs. I believe most of them comes from social tax, but social tax for me, it's taking a lot of time to verify. I've done most of the social tax, but they are not actually verifying. So Now you can see the different XP for different tasks that you perform, especially when it comes to transaction right there, and even the time that you've been on the chain. So these kind of airdrops are those kind of airdrop that pays like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 because of the level of difficulty that is involved in it. People hardly do some kind of airdrops like it's not like all those Telegram games airdrops. So let me see you do them. Like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any phase that you find difficult that I should make video on. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.